Well, Halloween has come and gone, and this artistically decorated pumpkin was left over from a Halloween party at one of the local halls, which we were cleaning up, so they asked me to get rid of it, so I figured I'd do my part. So anyway, you can probably figure out where this is going to go. We've got the 870 410 right there, and the first shell going into it is going to be one of these Barnaul 410s. I'll get the camera to focus on that. Come on, focus. Anyway. And if that doesn't work, we got a couple of shot shells to follow it up. I think we just wounded him. Guess you need a bigger gun than a 410 for hunting pumpkins.